So a pennant is a flag that is made up of, it looks like a right triangle. So there's a little flag on a flagpole and there's my right triangle. The hypotenuse is 10 feet and one leg is 2 more than the other. So I'm going to make this piece here be x and this one's going to be a little bit longer, which is x plus 2. So let x be one leg, and that means x plus 2 is the other leg. Now what governs right-angled triangles is Pythagoras, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs, and c is the hypotenuse. So we've got x squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 10 squared. So let's deal with some of these exponents first. The x squared plus x plus 2 times x plus 2 equals 100. I'm going to FOIL this out, and so I get x squared plus 2x plus another 2x plus 4. Some of you might be very quick at multiplying out binomial squares because you've recognized the pattern. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared. 2x plus 2x is 4x, so I'm collecting like terms, and on the left side. Now remember, when you factor, you need to have a 0 on the right, so I'm going to move this over by subtracting 100. And I get 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 100 equals 0. Simplifying that, I have, sorry, that's not plus, 4 minus 100 is negative 96 equals 0. Notice that there is a common factor because all of these numbers are even, so there's a common factor of 2. I'm going to common factor out a 2, and 96 divided by 2 is 48, and then I can do simple trinomial factoring. So plus 8 and x minus 6 is the two factors that work. At this stage, I take each of these brackets and solve them separately. So x plus 8 equals 0, so x equals negative 8. And the other one, x minus 6 equals 0, so x equals 6. Then I evaluate if that makes sense. Negative 8, can the length or the leg of a pennant be negative? No. So I reject this, which means that x has to equal 6. So if x equals 6, then x plus 2, which is the other leg, is 8. So the dimensions of the pennant are 6 by 8, and the hypotenuse is 10.